All right, I'm going to go over some quick tips of how to assemble your Dominator D1, D6, DSS, pretty much any of our Dominator Extreme series. So first, you're going to want to get your threaded bolt plate, slides inside. And then one of the common issues people have is, how do I keep that bolt plate flat? Because it'll fall. And use the 3/8 hardware we give you. Okay. You just gotta thread it in a couple times. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna allow you to run it back and forth across the track. And then grab your bracket, right? I've already identified where this goes on the vehicle. I'm going to use this to kind of help pull it in place. And then using the 3/8 hardware that I already have, I'm going to kind of keep this in place. And I'm just going to thread it a few times until it catches thread. As soon as I do that, that helps keeps it in a stationary position. I back out the 3/8 bolts that help me keep it flat, and I use it on the other hole. And at this point now, I can go ahead and slide this forward or backward, depending on where it locates on the vehicle.